If you are looking for a super easy and cute crochet donut which can be used as a bag charm, a keychain, or just a simple toy, that tutorial is obviously for you. Hi guys, and welcome back to DidyToys channel. You'll need 2 colors of plush yarn or any yarn you like, a donut color and another one for the frosting. If you choose a thinner yarn, you'll get a smaller donut. If you take yarn art jeans for example, the size will be just perfect for a keychain. You'll also need some yarn of different colors to make sprinkles. You can take any yarn indeed. I'll take some plush leftovers, yarn art jeans, and some thin Italian velour. Again, you can take any yarn available. I'll use 3.5mm crochet hook. You should take a suitable hook for the yarn chosen. A wide-eyed sewing needle, I've got a plastic one, then scissors to cut the tails, and some fiberfill to stuff the donut. If you decide to make a bag charm or a keychain, you'll need a keychain basis. You'll also need a metal ring, which is usually sold separately. You can take a similar basis with a clip, it's quite convenient, or a simple one. Anyway, you can find a variety of keychains in your local stores with handmade tools and materials, or you can order one on the internet. Just choose whatever suits your taste. And you'll need narrow-nosed pliers to fasten the keychain bases. And that's it! Let's start crocheting! I'll start by 18 chain stitches. Now I'll make a circle and connect the edges with a slip stitch, changing the color at the same time. Now I'll crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around, 18 stitches in total. I hide the tails in the process. 1, 2, 3. You can cut the brown yarn. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Place the marker, crochet 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. 1, 2, and increase. 2 stitches again, 1, 2, and increase. 1, 2, and increase. 1, 2, and increase. 1, 2, and increase. And the last time, 1, 2, and an increase. The round is ready. You should get 24 stitches in total. Now 3 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. An increase. 1, 2, 3, and 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 increase. And the last time, 1, 2, 3, and the last increase. The round is ready and I've got 30 stitches. Now 4 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. 3, 4, and increase. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. And the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and an increase. 36 stitches in total. Now you need to crochet 5 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 6 times. 3, 4, 5, and increase. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and increase. And the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last increase. 1, 2. The round is ready, and that was the last round of frosting. We are going to change the color in the last stitch of the round. You can cut the white yarn. Now I'll crochet back loops only. That's the front one and that is the back one. So 42 stitches back loops only. I'll skip a bit and meet you at the end of the round. That's the end of round 6, 42 stitches in total. And now we need to crochet 3 even rounds, which means you crochet a single crochet in each stitch around. I'll skip a bit again and meet you when the even rounds are ready. I've got 9 rounds in total and I'll start decreasing now. 5 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. 4, 5. To make a simple decrease, pull a loop through the stitch, then 1 more loop through the next stitch, and then crochet through all 3 loops on the hook. I make invisible decreases. I insert the hook through front loops of the 2 stitches, pull the thread, and then make a stitch as usual. So a decrease, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a decrease again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 more decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a decrease again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last decrease for the round. I've got 30 stitches, now 4 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times. 3, 4, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, a decrease again, 1, 2, 3, 4, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, a decrease, and the last time 1, 2, 3, 4, and a decrease. The round is ready, 3 single crochet stitches followed by a decrease 6 times for the next round. 3, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, the third decrease, 1, 2, 3, a decrease, 1, 2, 3, 1 more decrease, and the last time 1, 2, 3, and a decrease. You should get 24 stitches in total, and we need to crochet one more round with decreases. Make 2 single crochet stitches, then a decrease 6 times to get 18 stitches as a result. The second decrease, 1, 2, a decrease, 1, 2, decrease number 4, 1, 2, a decrease, and the last time 1, 2, and a decrease. That's the last round, and we need to shape and stuff the donut. First, cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Don't forget to leave a tail for sewing. You should cut something similar to that. We're going to sew the edges together next and stuff it. You can remove the marker, then insert the thread into the needle and sew the edges together. Don't sew till the end, leave a hole to make it possible to stuff the toy. Stuff the donut, shaping it in the process. Then sew the edges till the end. Now fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tails. Insert the needle into the stitches, then make a knot, and then hide it. Cut the tail and hide it. The donut is almost ready. I want to make the color change cleaner. I attach the thread, then crochet a single crochet stitch, fastening the thread in the process, and a slip stitch. Now cut the thread, fasten and weave in the tails using a needle. The color change is not as visible now. Now let's make the sprinkles. You can use any yarn and any color you like. I use yarn of different yardage and structure as well. I attach the yarn and then make simple stitches one by one. Then fasten the yarn and weave in the yarn tails. My donut is ready, and you can stop here, or you can make a keychain or a back charm. So I'm going to show you how to attach the keychain bases. I'll attach the metal ring to the bases first and then insert it into the toy. Using pliers, open the ring, insert the bases and then attach the donut, inserting into at least 2 stitches. After that, close the ring. That's all, your keychain is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting it. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for your likes and comments. Follow DidyToys for more tutorials. See you!